What's up, everybody? It's your boy, it's Biz, and today you're looking at a truck bed full of crushed seashells. These are going to be used for fill and decor in the backyard and help keep soil where it's supposed to be and help control runoff from the soil and rain when it comes. Now, you might be wondering why we got seashells. Well, for one thing, they're one of the cheapest things to get at the nursery that I went to. This was $99 for an entire cubic yard. Now, if you bought this bag, it will cost you anywhere between, I think, $250 to $400, depending on where you buy it and how much it is. This is 1 cubic yard. That is approximately 2,000 pounds. Now, why this one? Well, I didn't really pick it. My wife did, and it's cheap, which is another reason we actually got it, was because it's cheap. However, this seashell, over time, is going to crush up and break up and crush up and break up. Then it's going to become what you see on my hand now. Mineral dirt, or dust, really. And this is going to help feed back into my lawn, just like I'm doing with the mulch. This will provide a lot of nutrients, such as calcium, which would be the most important thing it provides, and eventually, over time, in about 10 million years, when it breaks down, its natural diatomaceous earth, because this is pretty much the same thing that it'll be made out of. But I've got a whole ton of this stuff and I need to move it. Of course, you might be wondering, well, what am I going to use? Today, I'm going to use my little handy dandy 7 cubic foot gorilla cart. Holds approximately 1,200 pounds, but I'm not sure if I believe that. Had to pump up my tires to 30 PSI. And the reason I chose this, one, it's because I have it. Two, because of that. That's why I got this. It's very easy to move. Pull this handle really easily. Takes no pressure to move. It's really handy. Then I come in here, grab my tools. I got 2 tools. Hey Clyde, what you doing, buddy? He's hot and he wants to go inside. So I had to go and buy 2 more shovels today. Big shovel, little shovel. And what is the big shovel for? Well, as you can tell, got a big old truck full of this stuff. So I got to move it all. That's what the big shovel's for. It's called a transfer shovel. This is also a transfer shovel, but you can see it's a lot smaller compared. It sits inside the other one, in fact. This is going to be used to scoop everything out of the gorilla cart into the yard. And if you've been watching the videos before, you probably wondered what the string's for, what the stakes are for. And this is exact. Hey Clyde, my dog's trying to get in my face. It's like, Daddy, please play with me. Don't do yard stuff today. But this is our barrier line. So here, Clyde, you're not the star of the show, the yard is. Here is where the mulch is going to go, between here and here. These 2 stakes all the way through. Then around the fence is where all the rock is going to go. I'm probably going to have to get another load of the rock. What are you doing? He wants to play. And we're going to put it all here and all around the fence, all the way around the entire house. So that's what we're going to start on today. I don't know how much we're going to get done, but let's get it. All right, guys, I'm exhausted. I've been working for about 2 hours, but I got all of that done. About an inch. I still need a lot more to do. This is roughly, I don't know, 100 square feet. Then I did right here in this huge area. Everything ended up being about 110 square feet over here. I still have a ton to do. As you can see, this pink string goes all the way around. All the way around. Through the hammock stands. It goes here, all the way to our garden, and it's actually going to continue around here, start around here, and go all the way around as well, to right back where we started. That's not a today problem. It's a next week, next month problem. But for now, I'm going to stop. Take it easy, guys. What's up, guys? It's Biz here. I'm finally done with all of this. I got this entire section done. Most of that. If you're wondering why that's not done right here, I actually need to do some extra careful work right here because this is where cables and power lines are. So I need to be extra careful, so I have to do some extra work there. But it came all the way through here. All the way through there. Each one of these panels, 6 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, did 13 panels. So like 130 feet just by that. Got all that done. As we can see, it comes around, curves around. This is a blank spot left on purpose. We're going to actually put other type of sand here. I'm not real sure what kind yet. And then I only got like 4 of these panels done, so that's 12 linear feet. But it also came out 2 feet, so it's like 30 square feet I did just today. That's tiring. Now, earlier today, I told you about 2 tools. I went and bought these 2 different shovels. Well, one of them sucks, one of them doesn't. One of them is misused and the other is not. So I bought this one and this one in the beginning of the video. As you remember, I used this one for quite a while and then stopped because it's very difficult to pick up shells with that. That's not really made for that. But the regular digging shovel, which amazingly is for digging, and the flat transfer shovel here were the ones I used the most. As you see in the video, I use this one the absolute most because it's pretty lightweight, but it's also the most handy out of all 3. So that's all we got for today. Take it easy, boys.